Okay, so I've made my first TikTok aviation flight video from North Weald to Earls Colne. Lots happens. We fly in formation with Spitfires. Well, I'm not in the formation. There's two Spitfires in formation and me sort of hanging on the end. I'm sort of like a third wheel. Must look ridiculous from the ground, but anyway, it happens. Then we see an old Navy warbird parked up at Earls Colne. We grab a burger from Norman Deb's burger van, incredible. And then on the way back, we get diverted to Stapleford because North Weald is closed due to an aircraft having a problem. So, lots happens. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Hello, good afternoon to all my 3 followers. Hope all 3 of you are doing good. This lunchtime I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I thought I'd execute my private pilot license privileges and I'm going to fly to get some lunch. Let's go. So we're here, North Weald Airfield. We're going to fly down to Earls Colne today, which is next RF airfield, I believe. And they've got a little food shack there called Norman Deb's, called the Norman Deb's. I'm going to go and grab something horrible, like a burger. Something not horrible as in like, no disrespect, Norman Deb's, I think your burger's going to be great, but food truck stuff, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. Here she is, 152. She's absolutely wonderful. Sky dimming up on my tablet here, so just to show you, we're taking off here from North Weald. We're going to travel up through Chipping all the way over Chelmsford, and then we'll be heading up past Whittam and then into Earls Colne, which is where we're going to be landing there. So I'm going to give them a call now, get PPR, so prior permission, let them know that I'm on the way, and then I'll tell Deb to get the burgers on. Sorry, I meant ask to get the burgers on, not get the burgers on. Sorry, Deb. Don't even know who Deb is, but sorry.
An interesting plane there. I don't know what that is. Might be a Spitfire. Could be. That's pretty cool. That's a Spitfire. My God. I thought I'd be flying with a Spitfire. Wow, there's 2 Spitfires. That's nuts. I was not expecting to see that. I don't even know if you can see. I don't think you can. Oh, that's annoying.
So it turns out one of the group members actually recorded these Spitfires taking off, and here they are.
Here we are, that's Whittam down there. I did my basic service fire training when I was a firefighter back then. Down there somewhere, I don't quite know where. Getting bounced around a bit, yeah. But so yeah, we're heading on to Earls Colne, which is over there somewhere. And, okay, we're joining downwind now. Okay, brakes, undercarriage, mixtures rich, flaps are up, landing lights on, T's and P's are agreed, RP. And we're hatched and harnessed. Good. Good. RP come out. 2 states of flap. Right away. Golf Uniform Hotel turning final for 24.
Golf Uniform Hotel, roger. South wind, come.
Nice and smooth, my boy. Okay.
Uniform Hotel, welcome to Earls Colne.
Thank you, pleasure to be here.
Okay, we've arrived. Deb, I'm coming for your burgers. Let's go. Here we are, the lovely Earls Colne. Let's go and pay our landing fee. Look at that warbird. There she is. Norman Deb.
Is outside, which will be good because it means anybody in the viewing area then would get a signal.
Here we are, we made it. Got a cheeseburger. Coke and a Kit Kat. I thought I'd turn it into a proper lunch. And I made a friend. Right, let's tuck in. Oh, it's unbelievable, Deb. Look, breadcrumb dust all over my mouth. I think let's have it. Well and truly demolished. Well, that was wonderful. Superb. Still got a bit of Kit Kat going. The runway's just changed, so which is better because there's less taxi in this side. I'll get straight into it, but have a look at this. And then my little thing. Or our little thing, shall I say. Right, I feel horrendous after Deb's burger, but it's alright. We move. We're about to take off from Earls Colne, head back to North Weald, and get back to work.
Okay, we're overhead Chelmsford. This is all Chelmsford here. Alright, you join me in the cruise here at 1,800 feet. I'm pretty congested with traffic over there, so I've just got to keep my wits about me with regards to traffic coming in. Yeah, it's been a lovely flight, lovely day, lovely lunch, and let's head back.
Always downwind from 103.
Okay, so what's happening here is I'm diverting to Stapleford, the next airfield along, because there's an aircraft that's being recovered at the moment. So, quite interesting. Stapleford's where I learned the first part
Radio, good afternoon, November 7th,
of my
Lima.
training.
November 7th,
I'm excited to land here again.
Video, good afternoon,
Okay, we've got Top Golf down there. Let's make a turn now. And that'll be Woolston Manor Golf Course as well. And so we're turning left. We're at 1,200 feet. Golf Uniform Hotel is long final, contact 1 ahead.
Roger.
2 stages of flap straight away. Oh, it's like the old days, Stapleford.
Vacate 03 left.
Lovely to see you.
103.
Okay, we're high, so we can lose some altitude. Go full flaps as well.
73 Bravo Lima is changing on.
Alright, so we got diverted to Stapleford. Well, I diverted myself to Stapleford because North Weald was closed due to an aircraft recovery from an aircraft that had a problem the other day. So here I am. I'm at Stapleford. I'm going to go and grab a drink or something and then head back for a 3-minute trip back to North Weald. Let's go. So yeah, first time ever to go diversion for real. It's only a short couple of minute flight away, but just got my brain thinking about what to do, where to go, and how to, you know, join a circuit pattern for a runway I wasn't expecting. And but yeah, it was interesting, good fun. Let's take off now and do an adventure of a lifetime. 2-minute flight. Let's do it.
Okay, I've got my flight plan all set up. 6-minute flight. 8 miles from Stapleford to North Weald. I'm going to go back to Chipping-Ongar, reset my head, get in touch with North Weald, let them know I'm coming in from Ongar and do it the proper way rather than just bulldozing my way through. I'm not going to be the safest way to do it. So, yeah, off we go. Golf Uniform Hotel at the hole for 03, ready for departure.
Hotel, roger. Surface wind 0706 knots.
Hotel is final. 02.
Everyone just on the go around. Surface wind 0403 knots.
And that, the wrap. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one. Hopefully with less dramas. Let's go.